Hello everyone, we are going to view my new video camera and other equipment. Let's start. I think this is my tripod for cables. This is mini tripod, and yeah, this is the brand of Yuntang. I haven't heard about it. Yeah, this is a mini tripod with ball head, as you see. And this is my SD card, which is 64 gigabyte. And this is the monster, I think. I bought Sony HDR CX 625. How can I open it? Okay. Yes. The monster is here. And look at this. There's a user guide and other brochures. Oops. Oh, it looks like a dictionary. Ta-da! This is so small and very light. It has a 360-degree touch screen. Not 360, it's just 180. Yes. There is a cable with USB type A. This is input and this is output. There's an HDMI cable, I think. There's an adapter and battery. Couldn't replace it. I think it's okay now. And let's start. Oh. I wanted to connect the tripod. Just a second. Okay. I did it. Oops. Let's connect it. Yeah, I did it. But the battery doesn't have a charge, I think, because it doesn't start now. There's a microphone port, and the best way of this camera is 60x zoom capacity. And I will connect the charger and I will be back. I'm back, guys, and I connected to charger, and let's start with handy camera. Language setting English. Next. Not Lisbon. Cairo, Istanbul, yes. Last summertime. I don't know what is it, but on. Next. Set the date and time. Next. (2020) 16th of July. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Next. Turn on. Okay. Play memories. Go to the. There's an QR code to go on Sony's website. Cancel. It has 1080p camera quality, pixel, and there are some options on the camera: shooting mode, camera and microphone, image quality and size, wireless connections, which is NFC, Wi-Fi, and maybe Bluetooth. I don't know. Does it have a Bluetooth connection? I think no. Setups, edit and copy, playback function, but I haven't connected the SD card yet. Let's connect it. I think from here. I couldn't find it. Where is it? I will connect the SD card on camera. I'm cutting the emballage. Like Nusret. We'll open it with a knife carefully. Oops. But I think it's not appropriate for my camera because This input is so small. This is very big. How can I do it? But there is a trigger, I think. Let's look up to the user guide. Holy shit, this is the wrong SD card. What will I do? I can't show you because my SD card is not appropriate for my camera. Maybe in next videos I can show you my experiences with the thing. And goodbye.